screen you'll see with the Duplo timer is this one. This is to set the time, so if you click enter into that and then hold the right button until you get the current time, we'll set this one for 8 o'clock in the morning. And then click enter. This will then come up with a day screen, so that's choosing the day of the week that it is. Today's a Friday, so I'll go along to the 5th day and enter again. This is your first opening time, so if you click enter into this, this is valve A on the left hand side. We'll set this for 5 o'clock in the morning. Then click enter again. Then you click the right button again. This is to choose your first closing time. Click enter into it again. We'll set this one for 10 minutes. Push the right button, that's your second opening time. That's on valve B, which is your right hand side. So again, clicking enter into it. This will take it a minute past the first opening time because you can't open the second valve before the first. We'll set this one for 20 past 5. Again, enter once you get to there. And then the right button again. This will take you to the closing time of the second program. Enter again. And we'll set this one for 10 minutes. And then enter. So there's 6 programming times for the Duplo timer, 3 on valve A on the left hand side and 3 on valve B. So this can just be set the same as what I've just shown you there. Once through to this screen, this is the days of the week that you want the irrigation to come on for. So for example, if you didn't want a Monday and Tuesday, you'd click enter into it, go to the 1st and 2nd, click enter onto those to remove those, then back to exit and enter again. This now means your irrigation will be on from a Wednesday to a Sunday and not the Monday and Tuesday. The last 2 screens on the Duplo, the manual setting, this is to make sure that the irrigation is working. So if you want to click into the first one, this is valve A, which is on the left hand side, click enter into it, click the left hand button and you'll hear a click, that's the valve now opening, so you'll be able to see whether the water's coming out and the irrigation system's working. And to close it, it's the right hand button and then enter. You can also do this with the right hand side, which is valve B, enter again, and the left hand button to open the right hand side, and then the same to close it, right hand button, and then enter again.